Hello, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry about the audio. I'm hoping to get a new microphone soon, but whatever. So today, I am going to do some kind of different content instead of doing something Python that I made myself. It's going to be reviewing someone else's AI technology. So I've recently found this awesome new website, Sam Says Sweet Sounds. It's honestly so awesome, literally. So it's a cutting-edge AI bot that can answer any question that I might have. So now we're gonna test it. Let's say a question like, what is my YouTube channel? Oh wait, never mind, I didn't misspell it. And in the implore part, see there are instructions over here. It says I have to type in either Sam Says Sweet Sounds or Sam Says Sweet Sounds so softly, so I'm gonna do just that right now. So there we go, and now I'm gonna ask Sam.
Python Bibi.
How did it know? Honestly, it's just so fun. It can answer literally every question, and I have no idea how. But seriously, it's so awesome. Y'all should totally try it out. This guy is a genius. So, we're gonna ask another question just to see I'm not trolling you or something. Or we can even reload the page, because if you don't believe me, that's understandable. So what other question do we have? Let's see. What is my favorite color? And by the way, my favorite color is blue. So let's see if he gets it right this time. Alright, let's see. Ask Sam.
Your fave color is blue.
Whoa. He got it, but he didn't spell it correctly though. That's kind of fishy. But you know what? Still, it's so awesome. I have no idea how this works. So if y'all know, please tell me below in the comments. Because this is so crazy. But anyways, thank you for watching another of my videos. I'm sorry it's kind of short, but I promise I'll post longer videos in the future if y'all want me to. So, see you next time. Hopefully. Bye.